Good day, guys. As you all know me, as I'm into Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, if I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, as much as you can see, guys, this is what I actually see from the chart, you know. So, I'll just quickly look for Zoom so that I can record this point here. Understand? So, yeah, this is what I actually see, guys. This is what I actually see from the market. Let's start the recording. Says the limit is 2 minutes. Wow, why is saying that? I think because I didn't log in. So yeah, the 2 minutes will matter for us because we're looking forward for the sell. So one thing that I like is here I have my resistant. So I start looking for my selling opportunities. I got this trade so early, but because I was funding my account, then it took me time. Understand? So yeah, and then I'm gonna enter here strictly, and then I know very well that I'm gonna be pushing to the below side. Guys, when I trade, guys, I like just going all in. Doesn't matter how much I actually fund. I just like going all in. Because I know at the end of the day, if I make money, I'm gonna make a lot of back. But if I lose cash, I'm gonna lose less money. So that's how it is. So I'm gonna jump in real quick at the point where it is. Then I know very well once we break this low, then we are gone. But this is for me. It always became the biggest trade and the longest direction. Understand? So we just have to break this low. Once we break this low, then we be in a nice, beautiful trade. That's one thing that I'm pretty sure about. Understand? So if you can check, there's not 100 on another expect. It's moving like that, and then US30 as well. It could be like a selling opportunity, you know. But I'm looking forward to sell NAS 100, because I like NAS 100, guys. I've been trading NAS 100 for too long now, and NAS 100 respects my setups, my everything. So if you can check, this is our Nasdaq again. It's pushing quite well. Looking forward to break the low. Once it breaks the low, we're gonna be pushing furthermore to the below side. Watch and learn. We just wanna break this low. Once we break this low, we are gone, guys. We are gone. So the low is somewhere at this point here. We break this, then we know very well that we are gone. I'm quick today. So yeah, guys, that's how it is, guys. Entered with the 2K. So this side it actually finished. I entered with the 2K account. I want to see how much I can actually make. So I'm going to just record the chart here for you guys, and then I'm going to just do this. My studio is still dirty, guys. I just woke up now and I just decided to jump to the studio and make some cash, understand? So I'm going to just push this to the take profit there, and I believe that it's going to reach the below side. Hey guys, I actually like recorded a video myself analyzing this part here. I saw a proper sell here, and one thing that I didn't like is it took time to respect, and I had to hold the trade from 10 a.m. until midnight around 9. Imagine closing a trade around 9. I'm even saying midnight. But at the end of the day, man, that's why it actually happened. I had to close the trade really late. So yeah, so this is how I actually got this direction. I'm not gonna actually go furthermore to analyze everything. I'm just gonna give you guys a brief on this point here. So this was my actually support here. I'm not even sure if this shows the same way. Let me see something. Yeah. No, this is the same way. This is the same. I think let me try this one. Understand? So I wanna see something here. I wanna get a proper chart that has a gap. Where is the gap? Oh, the gap is here. Yes. So with me, I saw that the market had a gap there in the bottom side. The market has to cover the gap. My take profit was like somewhere here, and then I took it somewhere here. And I saw that the market is taking time to reach that certain point, and then I decided to close. So, but here, let me see which one I can use. Under black ball. Let me see. I want to use one of them. So let's just use black ball for now. The reason I put both of them there is because I know that I might become indecisive to use which one, understand? But at the end of the day, let me use this one. So at this certain point, you just create your highest point. So here I'm just gonna put this as my current high, not like the highest point. This is the current high, So the market played around, and once the market manipulate the place, I know very well that this is the right time for me to reverse because they took everyone out here. You can just imagine how many people were taken out here. People entered sell, they taken out. Some entered buy, they were taken out, and then some think they will still buy, they were taken out. So you just have to imagine how many people were taken out for me to consider that I'm gonna actually enter my cell at a certain direction. Understand? So when I get here, I entered my cell at this certain place here. You're gonna see on the video, I entered my cells on this certain place here. You're gonna see the videos at the start, guys. Understand? So I entered my cells at this certain point here, and technically I was hoping for it to reach here yesterday, but the way it moves, this pattern doesn't actually move like this. Pattern is the quickest pattern. I know that it can actually create a direction. This is my favorite pattern. It's a rising wedge. You understand? So this is a reversal rising wedge. You need to understand there's a continuation one and there's a reversal one. You understand? So this is a reversal rising wedge. So all most cases you see it by the wedge. If the wedges are like this, and it actually means that it's gonna reverse. But if they're looking downward on a rising one, it means it's gonna continue. So I'm gonna show you guys in the other videos. But if you wanna check up a rising wedges on my videos, they are there. And most of you guys know this is my favorite pattern. So still here, guys, you have a right to actually continue entering your sell. As today we entered selling opportunities on US30. So yeah, my entry point was here, but you can just imagine that how many times I kept on holding, the market kept on playing around. So I decided to close somewhere here with 13K profit, and then I was like, oh, let me exit. Understand? But at the end of the day, man, I'm still worried because I could have like still held, and the market could like just move to my take profit, especially here. Understand? Even if we didn't actually reach there, but somewhere at least at this point. So that's how I actually like traded my day yesterday. So for now, guys, you can enter your sales here. Aim for like a short-term goal, which is at this certain point. Let's jump into USDT and see what does USDT have for us. So USDT, we entered here. We are going a profit. Let me quickly check. So guys, these days we actually provide trading alerts. Join our Telegram free channel so that you can know, or text me on WhatsApp, ask for trading alerts so that we can actually give you. Understand? Oh no, we're going 60K. I don't know if you can see, we are going 60K, brother. We are going 60K. What the? What? On a real account, man. On a real account, guys. On a real account. This is the best broker, guys, I ever used so far. Because, I like the fact of how it moves, man. It moves matured. Understand? It moves matured. Check what it's doing. Yeah, 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 yeah. We just made 60K profit, guys. Let's go, guys. Making money makes sense. So yeah, even this side, guys, you guys are late this side. But at the end of the day, Nasdaq, you're not yet late. You can jump in on Nasdaq, guys. This is where we're going to hit our take profit there, the bottom side. So making money makes sense, guys. Next week, I'm going to be in Cape Town, guys. Make sure you join the link in the description in the group. Make sure you actually follow all the instructions so that I can see you in the seminar, guys. I would love to see you there. I'm going to be speaking there and I'm going to be teaching. I like the fact that they always give me the role of teaching, and you guys like me when I teach. So, yeah, guys, I'm so excited, guys. And I'm going to drop a link for my website. After making a payment, guys, make sure you email me or you WhatsApp me so that I can get to you as quick as possible. You understand? So, I'm back now, guys. We are about to work. We are about to really, really work. You understand? So, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Let's meet on another video.